Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today let's cover Meem Shadda and Noon Shadda. So Humaira, tell me if you see anywhere written Meem Shadda, what does this mean? I see it as a maths equation of brackets. So what happens to Meem Shadda when you open this bracket up?
You emphasize on it and you counted 2 counts.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Any idea?
And then we read it twice
Okay. And why do we read it twice?
because of Shadda. So one time we read it as Sukoon and the other time we read it as Fatha or
Very,
whatever harakat on it.
very good. So, looking at this particular example, Meem Shadda Fatha, it will be opened into Meem Sukoon and Meem Fatha. Very good. So, Shadda indicates that this alphabet that I'm sitting on is twice. Okay, so for Meem Shadda and Noon Shadda, so for our audience, please break this Noon Shadda Kasra. How would you open this?
So this would be Noon Sukoon and Noon Kasra.
Very good. Noon Sukoon and Noon Kasra. Okay, so the rule of Meem Shadda and Noon Shadda is that when the Meem Shadda and Noon Shadda is going to be broken, the first Meem or Noon, which has a Sukoon, will give that part 2 counts. So this part will have 2 counts and this part will have 2 counts. Okay, so now let's practice on Mushaf. All right, so we've got a page and start looking for all the Meem Shadda or Noon Shaddas in line number 1.
There is no in line number 1, and then there is line number 2.
Okay.
Mim,
Okay, we've got 2 here.
and then we have not done. Then third line, bisuratim mislihi.
All right.
Third line again, wada'u shuhada'akum min.
Okay.
Okay. Then on fourth line, fattunnara narallati.
All right.
And then fifth line, wakuduhan nasu.
Now I opened this page randomly. Aren't we blessed to have such an amazing
Alhamdulillah.
page? We have the whole page full of Meem Shaddas and Noon Shaddas. Thank you, Allah Ta'ala. All right.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so how would you read this first one?
Raibim mimma.
All right. So this meme, the first meme is broken into 2 memes. And I want you to give me a count for both the memes. For the first meme and the second meme, which is meme kasra. So how many for meme sukoon?
Meme sukoon, 2 count.
Mm-hmm.
And then 0 for meme kasra, right?
Yes, good. If it was not attached to anything else, then what count would I have given it? For example, the
What
word
do you...
here.
Okay. Raibim. 2 counts.
And why so?
Because the shadda means two, right? So one
Okay.
is sukoon and then one is kasra, right?
Okay, but you're telling me the length of that sound. So shadda means that there are two memes. For the
Mm-hmm.
first meme, we gave 2 count. So how many stretches should we count the meme kasra?
0.
Wajiha, what do you think? You can write in the chat box.
Just one
Yeah,
count.
yeah. Remember,
Okay.
Humaira, Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma, the harakat always have 1 count. The lonely
Okay.
people, they are only talking 1 count. And when does that sound become 2 count?
When that has sukoon and haraka together.
Sukoon and haraka together. All right. So for
Like
example,
shadda, right? So,
actually, I'm trying to bring a previous concept here,
okay.
and I'm just thinking maybe I'll confuse you, so let it be. So, anyways, just we'll concentrate on the word which we have in front of us. Leave all the extra things. Okay, so you're right. The first meme in this part is going to have 2 counts, Roy Bim. And the second meme is connected to the next meme. So it wouldn't really have a count
Okay.
because it's connected to the next one. But now the story of this meme Shadda begins. And the first meme
Mm.
in this meme Shadda, how much count is that going to have?
That's gonna have 2 count because we
Right.
all aren't we gonna have a rule for like meme sakin rule also over here? Does that rule apply also?
What is the What is the rule of meme sakin?
Like if we like since it has shadda on it, so first meme it has sukoon. So like meme after meme, so are we gonna hold it to 2 counts, right?
That's a very good question. So the rules of meme sakin apply when you see a meme sakin with your eyes. For example, can you spot a meme sukoon on this page?
Mm, there is like on the third line.
Third line.
There's no sukoon on it though. Oh yeah, there's no sukoon on it. Kum min dunillahi right over here after shuhada.
Yes, good. So this is a shadda which you are talking about, because meme is
Right.
after meme. This meme shadda indicates idgham. This is the rule that you're talking
Okay.
about, okay? But the
Right.
meme
Right.
shadda that you find over here, this is not the idgham rule.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it's a very good question you asked. Actually, we discussed this maybe in the previous class that meme shadda can be of 2 types. One can be indicating idgham, and one could just be, an integral part of that word, like mimma.
Okay. Mimma. Okay.
Like even here, what do you think? Is this meme shadda indicating idgham? What do you think?
Mm, no, there will be noon sakina rule, right?
Yes. And do you remember there's also idgham rule in noon sukun? Like
Yes.
so which alphabets when they come after noon sukun, we say that noon will be mudgham.
Yarmiloon.
Very good. And so
Yeah.
meme is added in that list, right? So meme
Right.
sukun followed by noon sukun, this is the rule of idgham. That's why we have this
Okay.
shadda. What about this meme
Okay.
shadda? Do you think idgham is happening here or it's just a double meme?
Tanween after meme, that's also idgham, right?
Very good. So suratin, we can hear the noon sukun sound, and after that was meme sukun. So this is also a shadda which is indicating idgham. Now let's go back
Mm.
to roibin mimma. What do you think is happening there? Roibin here.
So isn't it the same? It's not gonna be the idgham rule because there is no sukoon, there's kasra on it, right?
there is kasra. By the way, the first part is idgham, just like you did over here.
Right.
Right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this shadda is
Right.
indicating idgham. But what about the next one?
The next one is just as a sukoon and fatha, right? So we'll just do it 2 counts.
Hmm. All right. By the way, this word integrally was min ma.
Okay.
From what? Oh, Ooty baby.
I'm so
You can,
sorry.
no problem. You can check out on what he's saying. So, min and ma are written together as mimma. So actually, even inside here, we have the idgham rule hidden inside. But it really doesn't matter if the Meem Shadda is because of idgham, or maybe it's an integral part of, like, for example, there's a word which has two memes inside. And even there you'll see a Meem Shadda. But irrespective of whether it's because of idgham or whether it's an integral part of the word, you will give 2 counts to the first meme.
So over here we will give the 2 count to first meme and 2 counts to second meme.
Okay, so good question. So you can see that 2 meme shaddas have come together. So actually, how many memes do we have here?
Then we would have 4 memes, right?
Exactly. Yes, this is a very amazing example. Allah has sent for us so you can clarify all the confusions. So we have 4
Yeah.
memes. So this meme, when I break it into 2 memes, the first meme has sukoon, the second has kasra. And the
Kasra.
second meme, if I break it, the first meme has sukoon and the second has, you tell me,
Fatha.
fatha. And is there anything attached to this fatha?
Alif.
Alif. Very good. So one thing is for sure, these first memes in both cases, they will have 2 count.
Okay.
And the second memes, it depends on what haraka they have. So in
Okay.
case of this meme, how much count will we give it?
1.
Actually, this is connected to the next meme, so that makes it a bit tricky. We will not give it 1 count. It will be meme, it will be connected. So, it won't have
Right.
count really. But what about this?
Okay. It would have 2 counts, the other meme,
Excellent.
because it has alif after it, right? So
Barakallahu.
it's a matabi'i
Very
rule.
good. Yes. So whenever you see a meme shadda or a noon shadda, what I like to do is I put a formula on top. For example, for the first meme, I would say 2 plus 0. Does that make
Okay.
sense? The
Yes.
first meme will always have 2 count, and the second one, because it's connected, I'm not giving it any count. You tell me the formula for the second meme shadda.
So it would be 2 and 2. 2 plus 2.
Very good. And now keep on telling for all the meme shaddas.
Suratin. Okay, so the third line after tanween and meme would be um 2 plus 0.
Very good. And this one?
Miss. 2 plus 0.
Very good. This one?
2 plus 0.
All right. What about Noon Shadda? Noon Shadda has the same mechanics. So how much count will?
Right. So then this one would have 2 plus 2.
And how would you read this? Fattakun.
Fattakun.
Very good. And what about this one? Write the formula.
This would have 2 plus 2.
Hmm.
So allati waqudu hannas.
Okay. Now when you say hannas, I could hear that this was shorter than na. So make that equal.
Okay. Allati waqudu hannas.
Very good. Okay, now without writing the formula, Just read in line number 1 if you can find any Meem Shadda, Noon Shadda.
On the first line, anna,
Okay.
anna,
So how would you read it?
anna, anna.
Okay, read what is
It'll be
inside
just
this box.
anna lahum.
Okay, so what I heard was, okay, first tell me the formula because you messed up with the formula. What would be the formula?
Okay, so
Meem Shadda?
it would be 2 plus 0
Why 0?
because after noon, one is noon sukoon and the other is fatha and then lam, right?
Okay, so
So we
so you got the point. First is Noon Sukoon and the other is Noon Fatha, and the story finished here. It's not connected to Lam. What do you think?
right.
So what
Yes.
formula be?
Okay. So 2 plus 1.
Excellent. And now read it.
Anna.
Okay. If I repeat what you said was Anna, so na were equal, although the first part
Okay.
should have been longer than the second one.
Okay. So Anna.
Excellent.
Anna.
Na.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Yes, you
gonna take
got
a
it.
little practice, right? Yeah.
Yes, but it's a lot of fun. And you know, this is how sometimes when the person messes up with the counts, the person who is, trained, he just hears it like a alarm bell in his ear, like, oh, the count
Right.
is wrong.
Yeah.
It goes off when the person messes up with the counts. Okay, so line number 2, we do we have something there?
Yeah. On line number 1, we also have Jannatin.
Very good, yes. Okay, tell me the formula first. Let's go step by step.
Jannah. Okay, so this one would be Jannah, Jannah. 2 plus 2,
Mhm. So read the word.
Jan, Jannah, Jannah,
Read the whole word.
Jannatin.
Very good. Once again, I want it to hear it in more of a flow.
Okay, Jannatin,
Again,
Jannatin.
you're still getting stuck. More flow.
Okay, Jannatin.
Very good. One last time.
Okay, Jannatin.
Excellent. Okay, look for more.
Okay. Okay, on line number 4, Azwajum Mutahhara.
Okay. Tell me the formula.
Okay, so it is 2 plus 1.
Okay, I want you to read this box.
Azwajum Mutahhara.
Very good. And anything else?
Yeah, on the same line, Inna Allah.
Okay, I want you to tell me the formula first.
Okay. 2 plus mm, 2 plus so we're gonna connect it to
Hmm.
Allah, right?
Good. Oh,
So 2 plus
I'm sure you knew.
yeah, I was but bit confused because like in Allah, so like we're gonna connect it with another lamb, right?
Yeah, yeah. So what's the confusion?
So like in connection, well, yeah, that's true. Now I got it. It's gonna
Hmm.
be 0 anyways, right?
Yes,
Right, because
yes,
there's no other rule.
Exactly. So how would you read
So
from here till here?
Inna Allah.
Okay. So always give, when you start listening to reciters, you will see how long they give this Meem Shadda and Noon Shadda. The two count is really very prominent. So make it more prominent. Inna
Okay.
Allah.
Inna Allah.
Yes. Now this really looks like Humaira gave a special attention to Noon Shadda. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else in five?
لا لا يستحي أن يضرب مثلا. Okay, right here. مثلا ما بعود.
Okay.
مثلا ما.
Formula.
Yeah. That is 2 plus 2.
Okay. Read this part.
مثلا ما.
Very good. Now I know you got a hang of it.
Yeah.
Just
ما.
to save time, I'm gonna just circle and you keep reading.
Okay. Okay. فأما
Very good.
أنه الحق
Excellent. Next.
وأما الذين.
Very good. Okay, I think that's enough. Do you feel confident? Like,
Yes.
I want you to go to
Yes.
Quran now, and inshallah, when you practice next time, always highlight all the Noon Shaddas, Meem Shaddas, and give it extra, special attention.
Inshallah. Jazakallah
All
khairan
right.
kathira, sister.
Wa iyaki. And I'll see you next week, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa
Inshallah.
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.